Kids, do you want to see something funny? What is Jack pushing? What are you ripping into? What is that? Is that a piece of dinosaur chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah. Molly May. Oh, Molly. Oh, Jack pushed it off and our beast got it.
Welcome to JackJackPlays. You want to build something usually for me?
What are we gonna do today, Jack?
We're gonna build something fun.
Like what?
A bulldozer.
A Lego bulldozer?
Yeah.
What are these things on top of it, Jack?
These are Jack Specials.
Jack Specials? What does it mean to be a Jack Special?
It means that I build it.
Oh, yeah, you put it together from another kit. That's a dump truck, right?
Yeah, it's Jack Special.
Jack Special dump truck. What's your other one? This one, Jack.
It's called the excavator.
What's it for?
It's for picking up the pieces.
Nice. Well, should we open the box so we have some pieces to pick up?
Yeah.
All right, rip into it, Jack.
Hey, we need scissors.
We need scissors. Well, guess what? I've got scissors.
Now get two of them.
I got that one.
One bag, two,
All right, let's organize it, Jack.
bag 3 and bag 4.
Wow, there's a lot of bags.
Look, kids, here's the bag in the construction.
The constructions, the instructions. All right, let's begin.
Let's do the time lapse.
Let's do it.
Got the chassis done.
All right, show the kids. Can you move it around a little bit in regular motion? Yeah. Is this going to be cool? Does it have a chain on the back?
Yeah, to pull stuff.
Yeah. What do we have left to do, Jack?
We have to make the blade and the cabin.
The blade in the cabin. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Jack, show him. Wow, look at that. Does it move on its tracks?
Yeah.
Oh, we should have put the guy in, the operator. You want to try?
No, I don't want to.
We'll put him in
It's
later.
for the jackhammer.
Oh, he's going to do jackhammering?
Yeah, but we have to do dynamite.
Jack, what else do we have to do?
We have to build the blade.
The blade? Let's do it. Right, are we done?
Bubble was blocking the road.
Oh no, what are we gonna do, Jack?
The bulldozer.
It's coming?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, look kids, we've finally finished the bulldozer and the house. What do you think, Jack? Is this pretty cool? Oh boy, it's dozing time, isn't it? Jack, can you even talk, or are you just way too into this?
I'm way too into this.
I can see. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna rip down the house.
Oh boy. What are you doing, Jack?
I'm ripping the house.
You're ripping? Does the ripper attach? Oh, it ripped down. Cool.
No, I have to do is dynamite.
Dynamite?
Everybody get out of the way. The dynamite's gonna explode.
Oh no, where's the dynamite? Are you placing it in there?
Yeah.
Show the kids what you're doing.
Placing the dynamite.
Okay, there's one charge. Where's the other one?
Here's the charge.
What's gonna happen when those explode?
It will explode.
All right, let's see what happens.
The dynamite soon, so I'm gonna plow this stuff off the road.
All right, let's see you plow. Uh-oh, I think the dynamite's about to explode. Are you gonna count down?
10. Everybody get out of the way, the dynamite. Everybody get out of the way. How does she do it?
Where are we on the count? 5,
4,
3, 2, 1. Boom! It's a mega explosion, isn't it? Cool.
That's all the big stuff.
Yeah, wow. Hey Jack, let's take a look at this bulldozer. Is he gonna plow the destruction out of the way?
Yeah.
All right, let's see him move. Kids, can you see how the tracks are moving? That's pretty cool. Look at it go.
Rubble's in the way.
All right, push it. Ooh, you can lift up the blade just like that. Neat. All right, is it all hooked on there?
Louder.
Oh, a little bit. It's got a little bit of a scoop on the blade. That smokestack keeps falling right off. Kids, check that out. That's the ripper. It can go up and down, and it can dig into the earth, or it can dig into buildings. There's also a chain on there that it can attach to pieces of the building and then use the mighty engine in the bulldozer to rip it off. This is a pretty cool Lego set. I've got to say, this is one of my favorites that we've built so far, isn't it, Jack?
Yeah. How about we make a construction site?
A construction site? I don't know anyone who likes construction. Kids, do you like construction?
This house, we need to do a lot of work to build this house.
All right, put it together.
We have dynamite, so we can break up the small to big pieces to small. So
All right.
I need the bricks first.
All right, put it together. Kids, do you want to see something funny? What is Jack pushing? What are you ripping into? What is that? Is that a piece of dinosaur chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah. Molly May. Oh, Molly. Oh, Jack pushed it off and our beast got it.
I think Mommy likes it.
I think she does too. All right, we had a little bit of a dynamite explosion here. Hey, Jack, I think it's time for us to say goodnight to the kids. We've got a lot more building to do. What would you like to tell them?
Bye, kids. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.
All right, thanks for watching, kids. See you later. Bye.